Coats 9100 coming at you. It's good old Tuesday, March 29th, 2022, and it is 7:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I decided to light up the water heater and the stove because I haven't started neither one of them up in probably, I want to say 2 months. Maybe not quite that long, but it's been close to 2 months. So the water heater's running now. What I'm going to do is turn the gas on. Just to focus. There we go. That burner going. It's good just to start them up and let them run for 3 or 4 minutes. There we go. Because it's been like 2 months. I want to say at least 2 months since I even started it up. Just been sitting shut off right along with the water heater. So I use the water, but I just never start the water heater up. Nice blue flame. I can shut this light off. There we go. It's a pretty good blue flame right there. High, that's on high. This stove works great for warming up like soups, ravioli, any kind of a beef stew or anything like that. It's not good for cooking like bacon or, greasy hamburgers or anything, because the grease will splatter all over the place. This stove is just good for like warming up stuff, like maybe cook some eggs or something like that. But mostly for warming up raviolis or any kind of a soup or stuff like that in a pot, something like that. Because of the grease splatter, if you're going to do that, you might as well cook outside. And I do cook outside. Well, I used to cook outside quite a bit. I haven't done that in a while neither. On my George Foreman grill. But it's nice to have this stove in here, because I do got some soups. I got 1 can of ravioli, but a few things like that. The water heater's going right now, so it hasn't been started. Like I said, the same as the stove. Nice blue flame. I just keep this thing covered with some Reynolds wrap because it was coming up. I think I need to get a new pilot light thing because it was coming up high, so it doesn't now. Not the main flame, but the little flame right there. So I made like a little shield over it. So this fucking thing here. I ain't gonna be able to do this one handed. Hang on. Hang on. Sorry about that. For the blackout, I can't do it one-handed. Not that little spring thing that's on there. The heat feels nice. It's been cold for the last 2 nights. And it's supposed to be about, I don't know, maybe around 37 degrees around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. The heat, can feel it. I still got like a half a tank of propane, so that's good, Flames the way it should be, on high. Nice good flame. And that. Check out my propane. I think I got just about a half a tank left. that's what I got left. A little more than half. That little red arrow. It's good. So anyways, that's about all I got to say. Another night here at the truck stop. So, yo, Kenley, living at the truck stop for a month, huh? You know it. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. And hit the like button if you enjoy these videos, living in a van. Appreciate it. And that's all I got to say. Peace out.